Hi! Welcome to day 19 of our poetry unit. We're getting near the end. Right now what I'd like you to do is just in a few moments, I would like you to pause the video if you're watching at home and pick out 2 or 3 or more if you want to of your best poems that you want to bring to be finalized and published. So go ahead and pause the video and then come back when you're done. And you picked yours, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And you haven't picked yours, but you have an idea. Okay, so today is day 19. We're going to be working on revising and editing our poems. We're going to be working on revising and editing our poems today. Okay, girls, and people at home, have you ever had company or a friend that's going to be coming over to your house?
Me.
Yeah.
My best friend. Last time we had a play date, she came over to my house.
Good. So when you hear that people are coming over to your house, do you all of a sudden get this need to you gotta run around the house and tidy up and clean up and put things away and straighten things up, make your bed, put your pillows nicely, maybe clean the bathroom a little bit.
And get your stuff that you're gonna want to play with your friends.
Yeah. So just like when we hear we have company coming to our house, when you know that it's about to be an author celebration, we have the same feeling where we need to clean up our poems. Not clean up our rooms, we have to clean up our poems. Does that make sense?
And make them nice and pretty.
That's right. So today I want to teach you how to not clean your rooms, but how to clean up your poems. Okay? When I clean up my poem, I first read it really slowly. Notice the kinds of things that I start to clean up and what I start to notice. Okay. Now I know this is saw because this is one of our high frequency words, one of those words that we see a lot in books and when we write.
That's my tricky word.
I saw 3 birds.
But there's supposed to be an eye.
Boy sprinkled bits of bread to the birds. The birds
were
my high frequency. I know my high frequency word here. Were. Now it doesn't sound exactly the way.
W-E-R-E.
Thank you. I know that's good. The birds were talking at those are good, beach. Creepy, crawly insects going up my arm. Okay. I read it slowly. I looked for high frequency words, didn't I?
There's more.
So now I'm going to actually, if you notice, I got a colored pen marker. So at home, when you're editing and revising and cleaning up your stories, your poems, you can actually get a pen too. So you don't have to use your pencil. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to make sure all of my words are there. My words, I know I just read it. I wasn't missing any words, was I? I think that was good. I'm going to check my B's because sometimes I do those backwards. That B is good. Remember, it has a belly. This B is good. It has a belly. My D, yeah. I always say a D has the diaper. So that one has a diaper. Oh, B is a belly. I think all of my letters are the right way. Yep. Okay, there's another
But your
one.
spelling's bad.
So now I want to make sure that I capitalize everything correctly. Now in poems, that's a little bit differently. That's however you want to do it. I sometimes like to capitalize at the beginning of each sentence, but you don't have to. But I don't have any special names, do I? No, no special names. Now I'm going to look for some blends. Now blends like this one here.
So 3.
3. I have C. What am I missing?
Ah, can I write it?
3.
Can I write it?
I'm going to do this because you're going to get to do it in just a little bit. You're going to be going crazy at your poems. Okay, 3
birds.
Okay. I'm going to go this to this word. Sprinkled. Just kind of like 3. I'm missing spur. What am I missing?
I know sprinkle.
Yeah. You know it?
S-R.
S-P-R.
I.
You want me to keep going? Sprinkled. sprinkled. That's an ED ending. But I did get my SPR. Okay.
Bird
Now. Yep.
and bread.
I want to think about patterns of spelling that I know. Let's look at this
I
bird.
think you have a little problem.
It sounds the way it's spelled,
But there's
but
an
I
I.
miss it. Doesn't look right.
There's an I right
That's
here.
right.
A high
Okay.
I.
So kind of remember that some of those patterns. The IR says and so does ER.
I think a tiny I.
I saw 3 birds. A boy. Drina, what is this?
Why? Can I do it?
I'm gonna cross it off. I'm
You
gonna do
can
it.
also do an I, which is
A
difficult.
boy sprinkled bits of bread. Now I have bread like this, Ed. Does anybody know what that should be? You at home know what that should be? It's actually an A. If you didn't know that, then that would be okay.
I think I
You do what you're going that you already know. To the bird. Oh, there's birds again. The birds. Oopsie. I have. This is taking.
You need to. We're taking. What do birds take?
Hold on. I know how to spell walk. Walk looks like this.
I think you put an L top.
So then if I know walk,
L.
I know
Top.
talk. Okay. The birds were talking at the beach. This is like bread. Needs that A in there, right? To make the E say its name. Beach. At the beach. Creepy crawly. This is kind of like boy. It has an E at the end though. What should it be?
Why?
A Y. Okay. Creepy crawly insects going up my arm.
You finished
Okay.
it. Mama, what makes sense? Do you know what? Because that was a
Cur.
A.
Yeah.
A.
That doesn't make sense, does it?
Because
Okay.
when there's E on it, it says the name of the letter in the middle.
Okay. So now these are the things that you can look for as you look at your 2 or 3 poems and fix them. Reread it. Make sure all the words are there. Sometimes we forget words, right? Check, do I have any backwards letters?
Backwards letters.
Now with poetry, sometimes you don't need the period, the question mark, exclamation point, or period. So
Or
you decide.
this.
If you want that, put it in there. Make sure that you've capitalized correctly names. Keep replaces things that are important, right? Okay. Check that your blends, like the ones we were doing are there.
Buttons
And any patterns, like the IR, the AR. And then, of course, look for those high frequency words like the, when, were, there. Make sure those are spelled correctly. Okay? If you don't have someone to help you at home today to spell those things, you certainly could look in a book. You could look around your house for those words.
Look it up.
You can ask an adult that is not working right now and maybe is able to help you. Good luck editing and revising today, looking for all these things. Do that for both 2 or 3 of your poems. Tomorrow we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how to rewrite your poems nicely, neatly, and we'll have our author's celebration.
Make.
Okay? All right, we'll see you
Bye.
tomorrow. Good luck. See ya.